Welcome back to MyDan Computer Trading Channel. So far, we've explored CapCut AI tools like templates, image editing, and background remover. But today, let us unlock a feature that can grow your audience worldwide: AI captions in multiple languages. With just a few clicks, you can create subtitles in English, French, Spanish, Chinese, or any language, making your videos accessible to millions more viewers. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more creators can benefit. In this tutorial, we'll go from this to this, adding AI captions in multiple languages. Let's get started. Step 1. Import your video. Start by importing your video into CapCut Editor. I'll use a clip with clear spoken dialogue so we can test the subtitles feature. Step 2. Generate auto subtitles. Click on your video in the timeline, then go to Text Gives Auto Captions. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles in the language that's spoken in the video. Step 3. Translate subtitles. Now here's the magic. Once captions are generated, click Translate Captions. Choose your target language, for example, French, and CapCut instantly creates subtitles in that language. Step 4. Customize subtitles. You can customize your subtitles by changing fonts, colors, and placement on the screen. This helps match your video style and makes captions easy to read. Step 5. Add multiple languages. You're not limited to one language. You can add multiple subtitle tracks, for example, English and Spanish, and viewers can choose which one to see depending on the platform. Step 6. Export your video. Once everything looks good, export your video. You can export with captions burned in always visible, or export a separate subtitle file like .srt for platforms like YouTube. And that's how you make your videos global with AI captions. In our next episode, we'll dive into AI Music Generator, where you'll learn how to create background music with AI. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. And tell me in the comments, which language would you like to translate your videos into? Next, Part 2, Episode 11, AI Music Generator. Comment your target language.